Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify permissions. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify permissions, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will enter to the window of Spotify. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors or problems on your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.